Once again, binomial theorem, mathematics 2a, part 27. Here, this problem is unexpected 7 marks question in IP examination. Exercise 6a, Roman number 3, question number 16. What is that question? If n is a positive integer, n is what here? Positive integer. Then prove that summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 whole by 12. In this problem, you can use LHS, you get RHS. What is the value of LHS? LHS. LHS value is what here? Summation of r is equal to 1 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square. NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square. You know that NCR formula. What is the formula of NCR? NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula of NCR. Write down in this formula above equation r cube summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into NCR value n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial all by here. This is also be in the form of NCR, but here n value is n, r value is r minus 1. That's why you can write n factorial by n minus r nothing but r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial whole square. After that you can write summation of r is equal to 1 to n r cube into, here you can write n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into, this one is what here? Denominator goes to numerator, interchange denominator and numerator. That's why you can write n minus r minus into minus plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial all by n factorial whole square. Here numerator is similar, denominator goes to numerator, interchange numerator and denominator. After that n factorial get cancelled. Remaining what here? Summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. This one is the numerator. Denominator is what here? N minus r factorial into r factorial whole square. After that summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into, here n minus r plus 1 factorial you are expanded. Why? Because you are expanded here. N factorial equal to expansion of n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into and so on. That means what? Here every factorial expanded you can subtracted 1. That's why you can write n minus r plus 1 first term. Second term n minus r plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 both are cancelled. You get n minus r factorial. After that r minus 1 factorial similar all by, here n minus r factorial similar, here expanded r factorial. R factorial next term is what? R factorial next term is subtracted 1, you get r into r minus 1 factorial. R into r minus 1 factorial whole square. R minus 1 factorial get cancelled. N minus r factorial get cancelled. Remaining what here? Summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into n minus r plus 1, this one is the numerator, by r whole square. Denominator having only one term, that is r. After that summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube into n minus r plus 1 whole square by n minus r plus 1 whole square by r square. R cube can be written as r square into r. Summation of r equal to 1 to n r square into r into n minus r plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 minus r. Here n plus 1 is the first term, r is the second term. Okay, understood or not? Here r cube can be written as r square into r. Here n minus r plus 1, n plus 1 is the first term, r is the second term. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. After that r square. Here r square get cancelled. Here in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. You can write r into a square nothing but n plus 1 whole square minus 2ab nothing but 2 into a value n plus 1 b value r plus b square nothing but r square. After that this are multiplied internal terms. Summation of r equal to 1 to n plus 1 whole square into r minus 2 into n plus 1 into r square plus r into r square r cube. Here r multiplied first term, second term, third term. After that you can separated summation. Here separated summation, you get summation of r equal to 1 to n plus 1 whole square into r minus summation r equal to 1 to n 2 into n plus 1 into r square plus summation r equal to 1 to n. Third term is what here? R cube. Here you can write n plus 1 whole square is constant here. Here summation belongs to only r terms. That's why here n plus 1 whole square is constant. Here 2 into n plus 1 also be constant. You can write n plus 1 constant common. Summation of r equal to 1 to n r minus here 2 into n plus 1 is constant. Summation of r equal to 1 to n r square plus summation of r equal to 1 to n into r cube. After that you can write summation of r equal to 1 to n. Summation of r equal to 1 to n r. Nothing but sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, summation of r equal to 1 to n r square. R square nothing but here you can write r value 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square like this. Nothing but sum of the squares of the first n terms. You can write formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Similarly, summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube. R cube nothing but you can write summation nothing but sum of the terms. You can write r equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube up to and so on n cube. Nothing but sum of the cubes of the first n terms. You can write n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. You can write these all formulas the above equation. You get n plus 1 whole square. What is the value of this one? N into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into n plus 1. What is the value of summation of r equal to 1 to n r square value? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Similarly, summation of r equal to 1 to n r cube value what here? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. After that you can write n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 1 whole cube by 2 minus n into 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole square into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N square n is common. Here first 3 terms n is common. Next here n plus 1 whole cube is there. Here n plus 1 whole square is there. Here n plus 1 whole square is there. That's why these 3 terms n into n plus 1 whole square is common. That's why you can common here n into n plus 1 whole square. This one is common. Here n common, n plus 1 whole square common. Here n plus 1 whole cube, you can common n plus 1 whole square, you get a 1 n plus 1 by 2 minus here n common, n plus 1 whole square also be common, remaining what? Minus 2n plus 1 by 3 plus here n plus 1 whole square is common, here n square, which one is common? N is common, remaining n is there, n by 4. After that n into n plus 1 whole square, take LCM 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? 12. 2, 6 the 12, you can write multiplied n plus 1 with 6. Here 3, 4 the 12, you can multiply 2n plus 1 with 4 plus 4, 3 is 12, you can multiply n with 3. After that n into n plus 1 whole square into 6 into n, 6n, 6 into 1, 6 minus 4 into 2n, 4 into 2n nothing but 8n minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 3n all by 12. n into n plus 1 whole square into here 6n plus 3n, how much? 9n. 9n minus 8n, 9n minus 9 minus 8, 1, nothing but 1n. 6 minus 4, how much? 6 minus 4, 2, you get plus 2 all by 12. After that you can write this term n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Correct or not? Check. Here n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 all by 12. This is the RHS part. Check that is correct or not. n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. This is the RHS part. Then LHS is equal to last LHS is equal to RHS. In divided by 17. In divided by 17. First you can find here 2 power 2013. 2 power 2013. This can written as 16 power how much? Here this can written as 2 power 2013 divided by 4, you get what? 4 5s are 20, remaining 13, 0, 4 3s are 12, remaining 1. You get 2013 divided by 4, you get a remainder is 1, quotient is 503. That's why you can write this one 2 power 4 into 503 into 2 power 1. Correct or not? Check. Here 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 2012 plus 1 2013. This can be written as 2 power 4 all power 503 into 2 power 1. Here 2 power 4 nothing 16 power 503 into 2. This one is the first case. In this case here 16, the remainder when 16 in divided 16 in divided by 17. What is the remainder? You can find here 16 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. Remainder is minus 1. Remainder is what here? Minus 1. Why? Because you can see this one here 16 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. Remainder is minus 1. That's why you can write the remainder when 2 power 2013 in divided by 17 is minus 1 all power 503 into 2. You can write minus 1 in place of 16. Why? Because we can write minus 1 here 16 divided by 17, remainder is minus 1. That's why here 16 is there. 16 divided by 17, what is the remainder? Minus 1. That's why you can write in place of 16 minus 1 all power 503 into 2. Here minus 1 all power 503. 503 nothing but odd number. Minus 1 all power odd number, you get minus. minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 nothing but minus 2. That's why the remainder when 2 power 2013 is divided by 17 is minus 2.